శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 550th డే. ఓం స్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 45th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, in Dharmaraju's Rajasuya Yaga assembly, Sri Krishna Paramatma with his Sudarsana Chakram cut the head of Sisupala. Immediately Sisupala fell down. And there comes one beautiful spark from Sisupala's body. Tataha Kamalapatraksham Krishnam Lokanamaskrutam Vavande Tat Tada Tejaha Vivesachanaradhipa. Krishna Paramatma, the one who has beautiful eyes. Krishna Paramatma, the one who is worshipped by all the worlds. Now, this spark of Sisupala did namaskaram to such Krishna and got into Krishna's body. All the kings have seen that, witnessed that, and got shocked and surprised. Some of the kings felt happy, some of the kings got mad at Krishna, some of the kings were not happy, but Brahmanas, Maharshis and some other kings, they all felt happy and they praised Krishna and they surrendered to Krishna Paramatma. After all this is done, Dharmaraju gave orders to his brothers saying that, Oh my dear brothers, please go ahead and do final rites to this Sisupala. They did that. After that, Dharmaraju gave the kingdom Chedi to Sisupala's son and did Pattabhishekam there itself. Like that, Dharmaraju's Rajasuya Yagam continuing and giving happiness to all the people. That Yajna Mantapam is glowing with so many golden things and it is all glowing like Sakshat Surya Bhagavan. And there are so many dishes. People are serving to so many people. Every time when 1 lakh people were fed, there comes one Shankhanadam. That Shankhanadam is never stopped. That means so many people are eating food over there and everyone filled up with so much of surprise. Like that, Vaisampayana Maharshi describing Dharmaraju's Rajasuya Yagam. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. Srimannarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.